So here we go. Let's set up. SPY is already pulling 0.5%. I can see right here, tons of traffic. To the upside, 407.50. To the downside, looks like, what is that? 404.05. We'll nail that right to the downside. So below 405 to the downside. 198.76 to the downside. 202 to the upside for Tesla. Let's see. This one's pretty cut and dry. 152.65 to the upside for Apple. 151.81 to the downside on Apple. Amazon 98.15 to the upside and 97.13 to the downside. 260.88 to the upside, 256 to the downside. I think we could get in a little earlier. I'm going to put a caution here. I think we could short this a little earlier around this 259.50 below below 259.50.
You mean 259 to the down?
Yeah, yep. 259 confirmation or 259.50. You could start a small short. I think you could get a little early right there. Netflix. Wow, a lot of traffic up here. Hold on. Same thing here. Could probably get in this a little early. I need a little bit more runoff from that. So 346 below 346.50 to the downside. There's so much traffic right here. This will be the upside. 349.16 to the upside because that'll already be well clear of VWAP. I just don't want to make it too early and get burned. Whoa, what are we missing? Did Google?
Yes.
Cute. This one's pretty cut and clear too. It's weird. Some of these patterns were pretty notice we were able to get through these pretty fast today because they were really cut and dry. Sometimes they're like that. Sometimes it takes a minute because they're not. So you just like here, I think we can get in a little early to the downside. So I'm going to put a caution here. But I think on Google, we could look at this below 95. You could start a small, otherwise 94.68 for confirmation. And to the upside to be safe, 95.81. There's huge level of resistance right there. Everybody got that for Google? Are we missing? Oh, Meta. Meta 170. So below 170 to the downside on Meta, I can see it right here. And above 171.12 to the upside. I mean, I can see a big shelf right here, but I want to get above that. 217.76 to the upside, and we can get in a little early here. And I think right here, actually, this is tough. I'm going to go here to be safe. Below 215, how much farther is that? Below 215.50 to the downside, and that should be all of them, right? Let's see. Let me flip these. Flip these. Yeah, if SPY tanks today, look for Mara, of course. It's funny because Mara is up and SPY is down. So today is a little bit of a separation day. So be careful and mindful of that. 7, so close. So close. 710 to the downside. 736. Hold on. Yeah, it's close. A little close. 736 to the upside.